I think I found the nail. Hang on a second. Tell me that's a nail. That's a nail, right? Yeah, I see it. Got a nail. I do plan on riding my skateboard today. Plug this tire in my car. Subframe. And she's out. So I'm gonna see first if I can find where that nail was. That's not it. Ah, bingo. Zoom. That's the little fella. So first things first, I think for safety what I'll do is I'll deflate this as much as I can. But yeah, let's do that now. I don't have a Schrader valve tool, so. Is this a puncture? What is that? Or is that just like an imperfection in the tire? Or somebody tried to stab me? Stab my tire or something? Tire plug tool. Like I said, I don't have the reamer, so I just have this thing to jam the tire plug in. See what we got. Hope my eyes are okay. Almost there. Damn! Found it, yo! That was in my tire. Just kind of. It's not pretty. And so we want this about halfway, just like that. There's my little focus. Oh yeah, like I said, ain't pretty, but it's in. So now we just got to take this in the other car, fill it up with air, and I think I have soapy water to test this little thing, right here. Try to prepare some soapy water for the ride to the gas station. We arrived. Make this. Pop the trunk. I bet this thing's down to like 5 psi or something real. Oh yeah. Shake the water. Spray. We're gonna spray this guy first. See if that's got anything. I was so worried about this thing. You know, I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Looks like a gash. But yeah, looks alright. No bubbles. All good. Hooray! Time to put this joint back on the car. Whew. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Stay tuned for more. Praise God and God bless you. Peace.